How to hide your plenty of fish dating profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll show you how you can hide your plenty of fish dating profile. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to hide your PoF dating profile, what you have to do is first of all simply go ahead and then launch the PoF dating application. Hiding your profile means no one else will be able to view your profile. It is as good as deactivating it, but not really deleting, because deleting means deleting all of your data, but deactivating basically means you have to simply go ahead and then actually hide your profile. So in order to do that, tap on your profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Then once you tap on the profile icon over here, you'll be able to see all this, where you have to go to the option called manage account, which is right over here. So once you tap on the manage account option, it will basically take you to this page over here, and under settings and profile visibility you have the option called hide my profile. So all you have to do is go ahead and then just turn on the toggle right next to hide my profile. What this does is that it's not going to let anyone view your profile unless you turn off this toggle. So if you think that you're not being able to find a match, most likely this option could have been enabled, so you have to go ahead and turn this option off just in case you want to unhide it. And that's all it takes to hide your profile visibility on PoF dating account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.